Welcome to the Easy Tech Fixit channel, and this is of course to talk about a update to keep your computer safe. If you've been using Firefox as your main browser, well, Firefox 80 has now been released, and it has a big list of security fixes and vulnerabilities that are being fixed. A lot of them have high impact, so it's important to check it out. There's, of course, medium to low impact bugs or features at the same time that of security problems. So how do you know if you have the latest version of Firefox? You simply go to the upper right corner in Firefox in the three horizontal lines, click, go into Help, and go into About Firefox. Here you will see that it's going to update your browser to version 80 if you're not there already. It typically updates automatically. Usually you just, run Firefox and it should update by itself. But by checking it out like this, you're going to force update it. There's really not a lot of new features in here. It shouldn't be different or really change anything about the way you use Firefox, except for maybe extensions. There's a new blocking list of extensions, which is checking out the security and the stability, if you want, of the different extensions that you might be using. So check it out. Lots of security fixes, like I said, in the browser. Firefox 80, once again, just go to Firefox, upper right corner, go into Help, and go into About Firefox. And it's going to update to the latest version, and you'll have all the security fixes that come with the browser. If you enjoy my videos, please subscribe, give us a thumbs up. Thank you for watching.